Well, Aaron, at issue is the fact that bail is expensive. Thousands of dollars for the chance to stay out of jail until the accused is tried for a crime. And some bail bonds agencies in Salinas advertise their business with the motto, "We sell freedom." But for many, it's a price they can't afford to pay. California lawmakers are considering a bill that would provide accused criminals a chance to stay out of jail without having to post bail while they await trial. Advocates of this reform say the cost of bail is unfair to the poor.
The decision is being left up to your bank account, and this absolutely disadvantages people of low income, and that is not acceptable.
A prosecutor with the Monterey County District Attorney's Office says that may be so, but eliminating bail is not the answer.
What we're concerned about is making sure that people actually appear in court. And we also are concerned that victims be protected. And the fact of the matter is that if we just release everybody and make sure that they're out, we're going to have more failures to appear in court.
Bail for a felony costs on average about $10,000. One bail bondsman said he's covered bail up to $1 million for a serious violent crime. These agencies typically charge about 10%. This is a copy of a bail agreement, and right at the top it says if a defendant is improperly arrested, if the bail is reduced, or if the case is dismissed, they won't get their money back.
You may lose your job because your job can't or won't wait for you. You might even lose custody of your children if you are not able to secure another place for them to be while you are stuck in jail. So this can have, even just a few days in jail can have devastating and long-lasting impact on whole families.
Under the proposed law, hours after someone is arrested, they'll go through a pretrial assessment to determine if they are a safety or flight risk. A person booked for a misdemeanor can be released under certain conditions. However, someone arrested for a violent felony will have to appear before a judge to determine whether they'll stay in jail. Experience with previous legislation leads the prosecutor to believe this won't work.
Since we passed Prop 47, which made all drug possession, felony drug possession, misdemeanors, and all thefts under $950 misdemeanors, our failure to appear rate on those offenses has gone up 100% in Monterey County.
And like Prop 47, one of the issues addressed by this bail reform is overcrowding in jails. A recent study found that a majority of people in California jails have not yet been convicted of a crime but are awaiting trial. And I checked in with the Monterey County Jail, and they say it costs about $130 a day to house an inmate. Aaron.
All right. Thank you. Thank you, Bianca. So the bill to reform bail in California will be heard before the California State Assembly's Committee on Public Safety tomorrow morning.